Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to make a quick follow-up video to my previous video about softening dry jerky. If you have really dry jerky and you can't get it as soft as you'd like it to be, something that I've found that is great to do is to shred it. So all you do is take your big bag of jerky, dump it in a tub like this one, and then make sure you get rid of the packet. And then I like to add a couple chipotle peppers, and I've cut the little hard butt ends off of them. If you can see that, I just pull them off. And that way you don't end up with pepper butts in your jerky. Sure, they shred up just fine, but just in case. And then I've got my adobo sauce here. And I think it's also good to have something moist in there to sort of lubricate the blending action. Gives it that nice smoky adobo flavor. So basically I'm just going to start dumping some jerky in here. My favorite brand of adobo, chipotle adobo, is Goya. It's really good stuff. I know one thing I noticed about cans of chipotle is that some are hotter than others. So if you get one that's super crazy, like ridiculously hot, don't be discouraged or think that they're all necessarily going to be like that. Because sometimes you just get a crazy batch. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to blending. Great. A little bit more sauce. So far. So what you're seeing in there is a lot of amazing shredded jerky. So, a little bit more grinding. We'll have a whole lot of that, which I highly recommend. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. There you have some amazing shredded jerky. That is yummy stuff.